Assalamu alaikum, everybody. My mom is going to take her shahada, inshallah, and yeah, she's going to become Muslim. So here we go. With your right hand, say, Ashadu,
Ashadu,
Anala,
Anala,
Ilallah,
Ilala,
Washadu,
Washadu,
Ana,
Ana,
Muhammad,
Muhammad,
Rasulullah,
Rasulullah,
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
I bear witness,
I bear witness,
there's no God
there's no God
but Allah,
but Allah,
and the Prophet is his messenger.
and the Prophet, what?
Is his messenger.
Is his messenger.
There we go. Tafsir, Allah Akbar! She became Muslim. Alhamdulillah. Oh, alhamdulillah. How do you feel? Do you feel at peace? You're Muslim now.
Well, it's
It's beautiful. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it, seriously.
I mean, it makes sense, you know.
It makes sense, right? It does make sense. It does.
And I don't know, I've messed up on some other.
And you know what? The best thing, your past, your whole past, is clear. You're like a brand new baby right now. A brand new baby.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. So that's good. Okay, say salam alaikum. Bye, everybody.
Salam alaikum.
You'll get it, inshallah. Okay, bye. Salam alaikum. All of you have a great rest of the night, inshallah. Bye.